Karen and I really enjoy teaching this class. We have been doing video for, I guess, the better part of our lives, and it's a great skill. We really love video. We love all aspects of it, and we also really like to just share with other people how to do it.
I work for the ASPCA, like the animal welfare group, and I work on the website, and I feel like we could use a lot more video content, but kind of nobody knows how to do it. I'm going to use it for two purposes. I'm going to go into our shelter and make videos about specific animals, and then I'm also going to be taking it when we do raids, like on a puppy mill or a dog fighting compound, and so we can get something up on the web really fast.
I wanted to take this class because I work as a production assistant for a show called Studio 360, and a huge part of my job is putting up web content. Some of it, I actually helped to create, some is created by other people. Also, I thought it would be just a great skill to learn to maybe be able to do some freelancing, and also just for my own artistic endeavors and things like that.
If we can help other people to see how stories come together, I feel like maybe you can become a little more media savvy. Everything you watch, all of a sudden you can see how it was put together and just demystify the magic.